Okay, 3-minute marvel number 24. It's about eco-towns. If you're not sure what an eco-town is, go look it up now. Press pause, all that. Eco-towns are very small new towns, at least 5 to 20,000 homes, intended to create a completely new settlement, achieving zero carbon emissions, development and a more sustainable way of living. If you're not sure what we mean by zero carbon or sustainable, again, press pause, go look on Google, check out what it is. If you can't see the writing, zoom in, big screen, you know. Key features we want to achieve are, number 1, places with a very distinct identity, very separate identity, good links to surrounding areas in terms of cities, jobs, transport and services. Transport links are able to integrate with the rest of the existing settlements around them. Development to achieve zero carbon emissions. We all know what zero carbon emissions all we mean. We don't want factories churning out, cars churning out fumes, exhaust fumes. Good range of facilities within that town so that everyone's able to utilise them. Secondary schools, shopping, business space, offices, parks, restaurants, all those kind of services. Leisure activities as well. And between 30 and 50% of it is affordable housing with a good mix of tenures and size of homes. 10 years, obviously the length of time someone could live there, and ranging from apartments right up to big 4- or 5-bedroom houses, so there's a variety of people there. UK example, Cambridge, the Cambridge Challenge. Lots of high-tech companies moved to Cambridge, as we know, the university. Okay, big lack of housing in the area, around 50 new homes, 50,000 even, new homes have been planned over the next 15 years. They need to meet the new demand for homes across all tenures, be it buying, be it renting, be it temporary, short-term, long-term. And they need to make sure it's affordable housing within the Cambridge area for local families and communities that are developing. They believe they're going to build 800 homes per year. They need to provide homes for key workers. I'm not sure what key workers are, Google it again, but briefly, it's people working in public sector, me and Miss, doctors, nurses, everybody else is providing a function for the society in general. The Cambridge Challenge is actually the name of a challenge. Press pause, check it out. It is a pilot scheme with all the information on. Don't forget, we need an international example. So, have a look about Malmo in Sweden. It's a former industrial city. It's been transformed into what we call a knowledge-based city, functioning around the idea of information and knowledge and attracting a different group of people from the industrial past. Similar to the South Wales example that we've used before in our geography lessons. The city of tomorrow, Google it, check it out, is a 9-hectare site with 600 new homes that are 100% reliable on renewable energy. Okay? The features include electricity from wind turbines, solar panels, aquifers, look it up, getting water from under the ground. Also provide cooling in the summer. Individual buildings, insulation, glazing, energy efficient. There's far more information about this if you look it up than I'm going to put on the board for you. The idea is that all the waste and the drainage and everything is sustainable, and that all the residents have a bus stop within 300 metres of their doors. Everything is sustainable and very, very clean. Okay. Did it miss? No. Key criteria for eco-town designs. These are around the world, not just in the UK. They have similar functions. Number 1, providing transport links. Excellent public transport links that are clean, sustainable and green, no exhaust emissions and shared public transport. Communities are participating from the moment that they plan, right through their inception and their building and their development into the future. That each of these settlements provides local jobs as well as just housing. They're not satellite towns for other places to commute. We all know what commuting is. Making sure they are healthy places to live and that health services are there available to the people living. And that the land use is environmentally friendly, is able to develop in sustainable ways and is varied and meets the needs of all the local community. Is that it? Yes. Go check it out, look at Cambridge, look at Malmo and look at all the other eco-towns. Google it, there's loads out there. Thank you.
Okay, well done.